Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Play-Doh clownfish. You know a clownfish, right? From the movie Finding Nemo? Well, guess what? I have a saltwater tank up in my bedroom, and guess what? It has a clownfish in it, and his name is Nemo. How cool is that? Here's what you need to get started. You need orange, black, and white Play-Doh. You also need a Play-Doh knife, but if you don't have one, that is okay. You can just use a real one, but be sure to ask an adult for help first. Let's get started. The stripes and the eye. Remember, there's one stripe on the tail and two stripes on the body. Is coming along great. Now we need to make him some fins so he can swim. My little Nemo. Isn't he adorable? Now let's see a picture of my real Nemo. They could be twins. They look a lot alike. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm creating next time here on Happykids. See you later.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.